Boat house. Emma, why are we moving on night, Emma?
Oh, because at night we can see the boat parade better. All the lights on the boats. Today we are going to the annual Destin boat parade. Where are you going?
Boat parade.
This is totally off tourist season right now, and we've never seen this area this crowded before. It's crazy. Christmas tree.
Floating? Oh, I see a red light. Shit.
It was packed?
Yeah.
뭐야? 그럼 어떻게 못이야? 집이 떠다니고 있네?
네?
바이바이.
왜?
보집.
뭐야 저게?
보트하우스.
내 집이 그냥 뱅글뱅글하네?
어지럽겠다.
Why are they going on the circle, Mama? Why are they going on? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So it's a wrap.
That's a wrap. We made it. Like 10 minutes. The kids got bored.
But it's kind of special.
They liked it.
Thanks for watching.